I thank our sponsors for this event. Tracy Road, trophy sponsor. White's Farm Supply, silver sponsor. In addition to giving us a machine, Tracy gave us a machine, White's gave us 3 machines. Absolute Auction, silver sponsor. Auctions International, silver sponsor. That's where we get our prize money from. How about a round for these people? Because we couldn't do this without them. With that being said, we had both ends of the gauntlet this year. We had some of the fastest times we've ever had. And then on the other end. I'm going to start out with the prizes for the fastest time. The fastest time on the New Holland was 2. This is the fastest clean time, no penalties. Jason King, are you here, Jason? 2.7. Now this is the fastest time on the case. Neil Martin, 1.87. You here, Neil? Over here. All right. Get a picture of those. Okay. Fastest time on the Gales, see right there, was Hunter Grace. He's not here. He called, he had to leave. He's coming back tomorrow to get his prizes. Okay? So that's a photo op. Fastest time on the Kubota, Rob Vanderveen. Rob, are you here? Another photo op now. I'll get your names and addresses. Okay? Thank you. All right, now, we're going to start in 10th place. You get a plaque from Tracy. All the plaques and trophies were donated by Tracy Road. You're going to get $20. A plaque goes to Jason Weaver with a 2.56. Jason, are you here? It's like, no. Ninth place gets you $20 with a 2.55. Jonathan Sensing. Only $20 was enough stuff. Eighth, Aaron Martin with a 2.45. Plaque and $20. $20. 7th place, Elias Holver. There you go, we hit one. All right. There you go. Did you face up to that one thing? All right. Thank you. Thank you. Sixth place, he wasn't here, right? Rob Vanderveen. Fifth place, $60, Roy Hoover. There you go. You're in that. Fourth place, $100 goes to Jason King. Jason. So Hunter Grace got third prize. And he's not here, but he's going to pick it up tomorrow. Second place, $200 goes to Urban Zimmerman. First prize, $240 trophy goes to Neil Martin. Neil's not here.
No, he's over here.
Yeah, oh, here he is. Get right in here. Okay. Take a picture.
I gotta get over on the other side. There's trophies in front of his face.
Time we've been waiting for is the overall winner. $500 goes to Urban Zimmerman for the overall fastest. Here you go. It's called